Hello guys, we are back again in our Medcart CMMS system tutorial. So before we are already finished at the contract, equipment, spare parts and work order modules. So now we will learn how to use our due PPM and PPM modules. So first of all, let's see our due PPM modules. Okay, yes, we can see there's no records found. And later we will see how can we have the notification about here, due PPM. So due PPM, it will set to you which equipment is already overdue to the PPM. So let's go back to the equipments and we will edit this one. And let's see, the next PPM is about yesterday. Let's say it's 12 because today is February 13th. But now let's say yesterday it's 12, so we will save it. Now we already save it. Let's go back to our due PPM. Now we are it's here already, equipment. Now our due PPM module, we have the refined search, the status, the risk level, and which class. And just like the other modules, we have also the toolbars, the same. And as you can see here, you can see all of the details. And also we have a column here which is named generate PPM, which is this button will generate our PPM. So let's generate. So we will select which clinic, which is clinic 1, and the barcode, let's say PPM 1, and let's say the schedule date is this one yesterday, and the PPM for performers, let's say it's me, and let's say it's preventive maintenance, and the status is on process. The PPM procedure, let's say it's procedure 1, and we will add. Okay, I think your record inserted, so close and go back. Now it's gone already. Now we go already to our PPM module. Now it's here already. In our PPM module, we have the refined search also for the schedule date, which is here. Also the toolbar, it's the same. And here we have also a PDF file generator here, but later we will clear it and we'll see it. So now, under process, we will do now this PPM. Let's say we already done with this PPM. So the scheduled date is yesterday. We already done it, and department head, let's say engineer Mustafa, for example, and the action taken is let's say already done PPM. Okay, and we will close this now. And the date completed, let's say today, completed today, and the next PPM is after 4 months, so let's say February, March, let's say June 12, and we will update now. Okay, save. Now it's saved already and already closed. Okay, and now we already updated the PPM. If we go back to our equipment, we will see the details. It's already updated for the next PPM. Okay, so we go back to our PPM module. So now we are as we can see here, have the details of our PPM data sheets of the equipments, barcodes, the procedures, and the other details also. Okay, so I think this is our due PPM and PPM modules. Thank you.